everyone, thank you so much for joining me. So in today's video we're going to be using my lovely friend here to create this gorgeous blowout for anything. It can be every day, it can be a special occasion, but what I really want to focus on is longevity, really creating shine and showing you techniques that really make a difference in the hair to do all those things I just said basically, and a hell of a lot of volume. Like, look at that volume. Like I have really thin hair. I do have fine thin hair. It's naturally got a wave in it, so it holds volume very, very well. There's definitely some other products I want to try out there. Like I love finding hair products. I love playing with my hair, as you know. This is me using the Dyson Airwrap with the kind of hairbrush nozzle attachment. So yeah, obviously these techniques can be used with a hot brush generally. So let me know how you get on, let me know what questions you have, and if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. If you're a beauty junkie / lover, my name's Lisa and I'm a beauty junkie and I love junkie and a lover. I love all things beauty, and I'm a pro makeup artist. I've been doing makeup for about 17 years now, and so I come at it with a lens through a professional, but also working around other professional hairstylists, manicurists, all these amazing beauty people around me that always influence me. So yeah, I will catch you shortly. Let's get to it. So I've washed my hair. What did I use today? Oh, I used Hello Clean Pre-Wash, which is a shampoo with apple cider vinegar to help kind of really deep clean the scalp, but really gently. And then I went in with the JVN, the purple range, which is super hydrating, I believe. I can't remember. I'll list it below. And then I popped my hair up in an Aquis, like so. I just did a few worky bits before filming. It's probably the replies, just to get ahead of myself, or else I get stuck in editing world, and you know, this bit of my hair always does that. So I was speaking to my friend and her hair always looks like beyond phenomenal. I'm like, babe, what's the secret? I do want to go around hers and have a hair play date. So her dad used to be a hairdresser and he was Vidal Sassoon trained. The Vidal Sassoon way, JVN going in the hair, babes. It's so good, I'm obsessed. This is the instant recovery serum. Everyone needs one of these for Christmas, just saying. And a lot of people that are kind of old school trained, especially in a blow dry, because in this modern age, a lot of hairdressers aren't really trained how to blow dry. They're more trained in using kind of heat style tools. Obviously, there's nothing wrong with that, but if you can blow dry really well, you control frizz, you add shine because you're really smoothing the cuticles. So, and what this kind of theory is, because of how the hair molecule and structure is from how it's wet, obviously it's much more stretched when it's wet, it's more vulnerable, but what you can do is manipulate it a little bit better. So you blow dry the hair when it's sopping wet basically, to style it instantly, to give it more shine. So we're going to try that out today together. I mean, it's gross in England at the moment. There's rain, it's horrifically grey and cloudy. I'm just melting, oh my hair is melting. And I need to get some kind of mousse for my hair, but I don't have one. So I'm just going to use a bit of gel, Living Proof gel. Oh, so that was the Colour Wow. I forgot to say, you can put like bucket loads of this in the hair. So this helps. It's called Dreamcoat. It's basically to help transform the texture of your hair, making it humidity proof basically, and that definitely gives it some shine. And now I'm going in with the gel, just rubbing it in my hands, kind of getting it like so, putting it through the ends. So this is what's going to help hold the volume and shape that we create. So you can see it's still pretty wet. It probably could be wetter, as I had it up in the Aquis for a wee while, probably 20 minutes or so, maybe longer. My concept of time is especially when I'm working, just gets a lot, so I'm just sectioning my hair. Oh, I hate it when my necklaces ravel up like that. Anyway, right, so Dyson, I'm gonna go straight in with the blow dry attachment. I need to sneeze. Okay. I've also kept the filming angle a little bit higher, so let me know how it is for you. So I'm gonna take sections, and what I'm gonna do basically is go kind of both ways to begin with, and then really pull everything back because I like my hair to go kind of cool wave one way. It's on full speed, full heat. I'm going to blast a cool shot through it. It's got a nice bit of shine. And repeat, so I'm getting the next section ready here. And you want to have tension, not loose, just tension. So I'm going the other way, do this side, I'm facing, rolling that way. Right, so now that that's done, I'm gonna, my hair is thin, there's not a lot of it, so I can pretty much do it in 2 sections. If your hair's thicker, do more. I'm just gonna find my parting. Did that do it? Yeah. So I've gone for a center bang. I'm actually going to leave my fringe out of this because I'm gonna do that last. I think that's all of her. So I'm just gonna look really fashionable in the meantime. So same sort of thing really. Smallish sections. Really getting the root and keeping the root up. And if you want extra hold, you can pin them. Should we do it? I'll do it on the front one. And that way they can really cool and set. You just really look at the hair to see how dry it is. And these are flat clips that don't keep the hair. I love them. So what I did want to say quickly is this brush, the bristles kind of splay out and they're a bit crisscrossed, so they give you a really good grip of the hair. So you can like feel and hold that tension just so well. Like this way, the opposite way. You have to be careful, it's just pretty hot. This glass is cold right now. Gives me that extra volume. It's really pull taut. Hair is always going to look a bit crazy to put this, but I'm actually going to start this front hair. This is probably a bit too dry. Spread it down. So let's do the front. I might have to give her a little spray, she's a little dry. I saw this on TikTok by Bambi Does Beauty. So, are you ready for it? I'm going to take it both ways first, and then to give it that kind of 70s kind of feel, get it really high up, cold shot. And turn it off and just leave that in for a moment. Leave it in for as long as you can. I look like something out of a country and western, like I own a kind of tavern. At this point you can spray the shit out of it. And I'm gonna come right back and show you this in like a bit once it's cool. So it's been a wee while. Let's take this bad boy out so you can see. Hey, that volume is divine. And I'm going to take these clipped sections out. Like-a-dee so. So yeah, if you want everything to last longer and better, you have to give it time. Okay, and at this point we look, I mean, I look like I could be in some kind of leading lady role alongside Julia Roberts in some 80s film. But then the magic is, using my wide tooth comb, is just give it a little brush out. And so you get that beautiful framing around the face. And what do you think of the shine? I think we've kind of nailed it. And you can just kind of reshape sections. Just get a little bit of oil, but look at that. That volume is just happy days, isn't it? Like, I feel mega. I need another one of these. Don't know if I've got one. But let's get a bit of oil through the ends. This is the Living Proof Vanishing Oil. Just to give it see, a bit of oil makes all the difference, and this is such a good hair oil for all hair types. It doesn't weigh your hair down. There we go. She's complete. What do you think? Do you like mon cheveux? I bloody do. So yeah, let me know if you blow dry your hair from wet versus damp, and if you find a difference in it at all, especially if you've got hair similar to mine where it's quite frizzy prone. It's got a life of its own, so you need to help it out a bit more. Anyway, follow me on TikTok, Instagram if you're not already, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.